immediate impact on the teacher have not been considered, and by extension, this is something that we are concerned about. The system lets the council act immediately, but makes the teacher wait months and possibly even years without income. This might be justice delayed and by extension justice denied. The appeals, however, can be extensive. As I said, they can go to the previous council. And therefore, I believe that the teachers should at least be paid to the first court opinion or the first court findings. That court is what the lawyers, that court is not the appeal court, that is the Supreme Court. At least the Supreme Court ruling, the teacher should continue to receive some form of remuneration as they move forward. The other thing that we found here is that the Board of Governance under the JCT Act, the composition is 6 teachers nominated by a recognized teachers association. Now, again, we check here, what is a recognized teachers association? Why is the JTA not named officially in the bill? So the JTA could be subvented here. 2 university representatives, at least one must be from UWI. And I wondered, with UTEC also being a government entity, the specification of UWI and seemingly the neglect of UTEC, I don't understand why was that done? And at some point, UTEC must be stopped treated as a bastard child. Right. If it is, that is 2 university representatives, it could have ended there. If you're going to say including UWI, and I'm a graduate of UWI, so I hold no grief, but why UTEC was not mentioned here? And how could UTEC be in the vocational center, which we have all spoken about on multiple occasions, not included? It says also 2 non-university educational training institutions. I think that is kind of trying to put in the teachers' colleges. But I also know that many teachers' colleges, I know Michael, for example, is seeking to become a university.
Yes.